How to fix no internet connection problem on Chrome browser. So let's go. So first go to setting. Now click on dual SIM and cellular data. Now click on SIM where internet connection is on. Click on access point. Now click on rest to default. Now go back and click on prefer network type. Now choose auto. Now go back and click on additional setting. Click on application management. Now scroll down. Click on Chrome browser. Now click on clear cache and click on manage space. Now clear all data. Click on OK. Now your problem will be fixed.